Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. Today we are making this super cute crochet sakura flower hair clip. It's beginner friendly and uses only basic stitches, and it takes about 10 minutes once you get the hang of it. Perfect for spring vibes, gifts, or just treating yourself. So let's get started. Crochet hook I'm using 4.0 mm and we will start by making a magic ring. So wrap yarn around your two fingers like this, make a cross, and now insert your hook and pull a loop. Turn it around and then chain 1. So this is our magic ring and we will work into this ring. And now we will add chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 chains, yarn over your hook twice and we will work 1 treble crochet into this ring. So insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And now we will do picot stitch, which means first we will do chain 1. Now you can see these 2 loops of our chain 4 and treble crochet. These loops, insert your hook into these loops and then pull a loop and work 1 slip stitch. So this is called picot stitch. And after this again we will work 1 treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, pull through first 2, pull through middle 2, pull through last 2, and then again 1 picot stitch. Chain 1, insert your hook into these 2 loops, pull up a loop and then slip stitch. Then we will work chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now into magic ring work 1 slip stitch. So like this our first petal is complete. Like this we will make complete 5 petals. Let's work on the other petals. Again we will start by making chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over your hook twice and work 1 treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, again pull through 2. Now 1 picot stitch. Insert your hook into these loops, then slip stitch, then again 1 more treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again 1 more picot stitch, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch. And like this we will complete all our 5 petals. And now let's finish our last petal with slip stitch into the magic ring and then chain 1. Now pull a long loop and cut off the yarn. Now we have 2 ends. Make a knot to secure it and tight the magic ring. And our sakura flower is almost ready. Now let's just press it and give it a good shape so that all petals can bloom properly. And now our flower is ready. We will add little pink shade to our flower. So here I am using my eyeshadow palette, and this pink color we will use to give it a good pink shade. And our cute sakura flower hair clip is ready. Just add the hair clip with the glue gun and your cute hair flower clip is ready. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe the channel and follow for more.